trade them all for a million more. Put the cars outside and please call me twice for these. Gonna have to
Save him.
I'm not getting nearly decently unless you pack your bags. You're coming.